Hi, my name is Alana Slowly. I contacted DC Home Remodeling for some repairs I needed for my home. Back in December, we faced a flood due to freezing. I contacted Mustafa and his team and they got the job done right away. They were fast, they were efficient, far exceeded my expectations. Mustafa provided excellent customer service and I couldn't be any more pleased with the work that was performed in my home. I'm very thankful for his attentiveness to my needs. He always responded. Anything that I needed, he was giving me all the help that I needed. I'm so happy and I'm more than willing to recommend him to my family, recommend him to my friends with any work that they need. I will be using him on my future endeavors because he just provided the best service that any contractor I've ever used has provided. Thank you, Mustafa. Thank you for your team, for your fast and swift job and great job you guys did for me.